Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Right now, I am visiting New York for the first time in my entire life, and I've lived in the United States for 36 years. This week I'm going to introduce you to my favorite Japanese superfood enzyme drink, Ars Koso in a travel size. I have been taking Ars Koso for a while now. For me, this is a peace of mind for my gut bacteria, a go-to if I want to do a cleanse, and a hope for my high cholesterol, which has been lower since I started drinking. I will include the links to my past Ars Koso experience in the description. But the bottle is pretty big and it needs to be refrigerated once opened, and I couldn't take it to short trips with just a carry-on. But they have these mini bottles. There are 5 bottles in this box. Each bottle is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters, so it clears the FAA guidelines for the liquid. And you don't have to worry about refrigeration once you open the bottle because it's a single serving. This is also a good trial size, so if you don't know if you want to commit to the big bottle, this is a good way to start. If you use the code YASUKO15, you can get 15% discount. I'll put the link below. Cheers to your health. With the holiday binge eating season coming up, this is a good gift to yourself and your loved ones. I don't want to waste any of the probiotics, so what I do is I add some water in the bottle, swirl it, and empty it up. I don't mean to promote unhealthy eating, but thanks to Ars Koso, I had a peace of mind as I thoroughly enjoyed foods like New York pizzas, pastrami melt, lemon chicken on the rice, and dim sum at Golden Unicorn. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.